hi, Kate. 663 Sierra Papa 172. Woo! We're gonna hop on this thing and fly. Where are we going?
Leesburg Executive Airport. Automated weather observation 1732 Zulu weather wind 330 at 6 visibility 10 clear below 12,000 temperature 9 Celsius dew point -4 altimeter 3019. Welcome to Leesburg. Runway 17 is the calm wind run.
All right, let's taxi out there. Leesburg traffic, Skyhawk 663 Sierra Papa departing runway 35 Leesburg heading north.
Here is crosswind now for a left downwind for 35, and we're about
ready to go?
2 miles out. That's crosswind for 35. What's your position now?
This is 437 Sierra Papa. We are midfield, left downwind for 35, Leesburg.
Midfield, left downwind. Okay, we're going to start a downwind now. Are you full stop or touch and go?
And we're off.
For full stop, we're going to do a simulated engine out, 437 Sierra Papa.
Okay, we'll look for you here.
Leesburg traffic, 3 Bravo Zulu, 5 miles due west now for left downwind 35 Leesburg.
And Leesburg traffic, Cherokee 6 Foxtrot Lima is 4.9 northwest inbound Leesburg. And Bravo Zulu, I think I've got you at my 9 o'clock.
What's that?
This part's a little scary.
Okay, sounds good. I'll go first. You come in behind me. Does that work out, Leesburg?
I'm at 3 o'clock for 6 Foxtrot Lima. I'm just going to do a right 360, and that'll give us spacing.
And Alpha Sierra is now downwind for 35, full stop at Leesburg.
Sorry. It's a little bit bumpy. You'll be fine, though.
Sorry, I'm coughing into the thing.
I'm not worried about it.
Oh.
Alpha Sierra is midfield downwind 35 at Leesburg.
Oh my goodness.
Leesburg Alpha Sierra is turning base 35, full stop.
It's fine. Once we get a little higher, it'll be less bumpy.
Leesburg traffic, Skyhawk 3 Bravo Zulu, entering left downwind 35 Leesburg.
Oh my god, I spilled a lot of water. Oh god.
Leesburg traffic, Skyhawk 663 Sierra Papa departing the area through the north. Last transmission, Leesburg. Bumpy bumps.
Keep like going to hold
It's
your
okay.
hands. I'm sorry. It's normal. This
And
is normal.
Leesburg traffic, Skyhawk 3 Bravo Zulu, left downwind for 35. I have the landing traffic on final in sight, Leesburg.
Leesburg traffic 5294 Whiskey 8 to the west inbound landing Leesburg.
And Leesburg traffic, Cherokee 6 Foxtrot Lima is entering a left
Okay,
downwind
now we can climb up.
35
So,
170.
see, the issue is...
That's the same as this, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So until here, we had to stay below 3,000 feet, and now we can actually climb up a little higher.
Okay.
And the higher we go, the
Leesburg unit comes 343 Alpha Sierra.
the nicer the weather is going to be.
Got it.
There is no Unicom Jet Projet on 128.95.
128.95. Thank you. And Alpha Sierra is cleared 35.
Leesburg traffic, Skyhawk 3 Bravo Zulu, turning final 35 Leesburg.
How high will we get?
We're only going to go to like 4,500 feet. Not very high is the answer.
Pretty high for me.
Wait, you're high?
No, like...
I'm kidding.
Okay, I'm okay. So pretty. kind of brown, but
Cherokee 6 Foxtrot, left base 35.
Okay, let's say hi to the people.
Leesburg traffic, Skyhawk 3 Bravo Zulu off
To these
the
people.
Oh.
35.
I thought I was looking for like another plane.
Nope, just this one. Hey, what's up, everybody? So we're flying from Leesburg to
Lancaster.
Pennsylvania. VFR, nice winter day. Basically leaving out of Leesburg, you don't have to do all the SFRA stuff. We're gonna get flight following once we get outside the Bravo here and go above Frederick. Besides that, it should be a nice short flight straight up there. And we're crossing over the Potomac right now.
Pretty.
This is where you do all of the floats.
Oh yeah. Harper's Ferry or whatever?
Yeah, Harper's Ferry is right there in the valley.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah.
Leesburg traffic, Cessna 5294 Whiskey is entering the left downwind for 35, Leesburg.
Cherokee clear of 35 to the south end.
This is so fun, and then we get to do it again tomorrow, which makes me so excited.
Yeah.
Leesburg traffic,
Plus, it's
Cessna
way better than
5294 Whiskey
driving.
is turning left base for runway 35, Leesburg.
My first story said, because B Danza's too fancy to drive to Lancaster.
Frederick Tower, Skyhawk 663 Sierra Papa is about 7 miles to the south of you guys, and we're going to cross just over you.
Cessna 663 Sierra Papa, Frederick Tower, roger, and what will your altitude be? Frederick altimeter 3020.
3 Sierra Papa, we're climbing up to 3,500, and we're at 2,900 right now.
Roger, thank you.
Frederick Tower, Baron 250 Romeo, we're 6
I
miles
didn't
northeast,
have to tell them that I was going to be here, but because we're going to be above their
Roger, that's a little
airspace,
above my
you see the
airspace,
airport right there?
Frederick altimeter 3020.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, 3020.
But it's always just a courtesy to let them know.
Put in the 55 Sierra. Proceeding traffic is on a
That's
right
Frederick
turnout,
there,
left
huh?
turnout southeast.
That's
bound
the airport,
for
and that's
runway
downtown
23
Frederick.
takeoff.
Okay, 23 cleared for takeoff, 55 Sierra, and I do have that departing traffic.
Roger, and just use caution, I do have Cessna transitioning the airspace. We'll be going up to 3,500 south of the field.
Talk
I'll
about
be
us.
looking for him,
Yeah.
55 Sierra, thank you.
Do people who live here commute to DC?
Yes,
Ugh.
100%.
Skyline's final 28 smoke down.
Smoketown's where we're going.
Yeah, I'm under frequency now.
It's like the first time I've actually listened to this thing.
What's that?
I never listen in this thing normally when we fly.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
for participating aircraft.
Hold on, I want to see the weather out there.
Mandatory to read back all hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact to have information hotel. Lancaster Tower 8 is Information Hotel. Time 1653 Zulu. Wind 300 at Niner. Visibility 10 miles. Sky is clear. Temperature 04, dew point -6. Altimeter 3017. Visual approaches to runway 26 or 31 are in use. Land and hold short operations are in effect for aircraft landing runway.
Center PL 4929, 11, climbing 12.
Smokedown traffic, Skyline's final 28 smoke down.
This is so cool.
I like
Smokedown traffic.
a lot better than driving my anger level here versus being on a highway.
Oh yeah, you're so mellow.
Yeah, I'm just like,
Yeah.
because I don't have to deal with anybody.
So nice.
Whereas on the highway, like, we would have been in traffic, like, not traffic, but like behind morons the entire freaking way, and in all these little roads.
246 November, 3 miles to the southwest on 454, Downwind for full
Like-
stop on runway 28, Tipton.
In reality, we're only going to be like 20 minutes faster than if we had driven.
Wait, does that include driving to the airport?
Yeah, that's what I mean.
28 Smoketown.
But it's so much nicer.
Yeah.
And so cool.
I turned the autopilot off. Okay. Grab. So, you see that white empty field in the middle of the trees?
Yeah.
Aim for that. So let's turn a little bit that way.
Tipton traffic, 780
More.
knots, Mike train,
More.
downwind, runway 28.
A little more. Okay, now straighten it out.
So far,
Danza.
Straighten it out. Now bring the nose up a little bit. Pull back, pull back. There you go. A little more.
On the pad.
Perfect.
Out battlefield.
So scary.
Big on
One
traffic,
hand.
go rush 731
One hand.
Bravo Zulu is 9 miles
No,
out,
no, no.
45 for 2
Two fingers.
New Garden.
It's really scary. Oh, this is better. Oh, can you fix it?
You're fine. Pull back. Pull back. There you go. Perfect.
Is that where we're going for?
Yeah. So we want to descend down to 1,300 feet. Right now we're at 2,500, so we'll just keep going down.
And we're descending right now?
Yep.
How?
We're descending 600 feet a minute right now.
Whoa. How is this something that you do so casually? Fix it, fix it.
You're
Danza,
fine.
Danza.
Now pull back a little bit.
Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. No, I don't like when I'm touching it and these things happen. I gotta turn.
Okay, hold on, let me talk. Smoke down traffic, Skyhawk 663 Sierra Papa is 10 miles to the south, inbound for landing. We'll enter a left downwind runway 28. Pull back a little bit. And turn this way a little.
Oh.
Towards that direction. You're fine. Don't worry, I'll take over if you do anything wrong.
I'm so afraid. Why is I feel like we're like this.
You're not. We're just slowing down a little bit, so because we're slowing down, nose has to be higher for the plane not to like go down as fast.
traffic, 72 Foxtrot, Mike is 5 miles northwest,
Oh my
inbound
God, I
land,
hate
runway 28 to Tipton.
Pull back a little bit.
Oh.
There's downtown Lancaster.
I don't see it. I'm too afraid. Where?
Right over there. You see the buildings?
Oh yeah, pull up.
Pull up a little bit, just a little bit.
Tipton traffic, Trinidad 411 Juliet Sierra, 12 miles to the north. We'll branding from a left crosswind to join the left downwind for runway 28, full stop.
Did you just make it go faster?
Yeah.
Felt it.
Now go a little bit to the right.
I can't see.
You're fine. Just pick a point on the horizon. So, okay, you see that water tower all the way down there on the left?
Yes.
On the right, I mean?
On the right.
Yep. Try to get us there.
Is that where we're going?
No, it's a lot closer than that. The
Oh.
fields, you can see it kind of. But basically, that's a good aiming point.
Diversion traffic,
Okay,
Fox,
I'm gonna take
November
it.
914
Thank you.
Philadelphia, 5 miles to the northwest,
I survived.
inbound for landing, runway 24.
That's fun. It was not that fun. It was not that fun.
Tipton traffic, 2 Foxtrot, Mike, north.
Smoke down traffic, 663 or 663 Sierra Papa is 2 miles to the south, about to enter a left downwind runway 28 Smoke down.
Tipton traffic, 2 Foxtrot, Mike is turning left base, runway 28 to land at Tipton.
See the airport?
No.
Directly in front of us, the runway goes this way. There's a Wawa to the left.
Wawa, I see. Oh yeah, it's really close. Oh, because you have to circle around it. I'm like, you are gonna overshoot it.
No, we're fine.
We should go to Wawa. Get a hoagie. A Diet Coke with cherry in it. Beer. Yep. Whoa, I want to film this. You're tipping.
New Garden traffic,
Shipbox, November 914, Kilo Delta, crosswind, runway 24, New Jersey. New Garden traffic, go Bosch 1 Bravo Zulu is turning base for 24, full stop, New Garden.
Hello, Smoketown.
Smoketown traffic, 3 Sierra Papa turning left base, runway 28, Smoketown. What's that?
Oh, this is scary.
New Garden traffic, Shipbox 914, Kilo Delta, turning downwind, 24. New Garden traffic, go Bosch 1 Bravo Zulu, turning final for 24, full stop, New Garden.
Smoketown traffic, Sierra Papa, short final, runway 28, Smoketown.
Going on the big one, right? We didn't die!
Stop. Gotta find a place to park now.
Yeah, so many to go in a hangar.
No. I think there's tie downs in the grass.
Oh, no worries. My question is, where would I park overnight? Where do people usually do that?
Well, we park along the fence over there, except we have a lot of snow there.
Yeah.
Where that Lance is sitting,
Yeah.
you could back your when he moves. He's transient, I know. Are you getting ready to leave? You want to go somewhere?
No. We're staying overnight.
Oh, we're here tonight.
Yeah.
But you're getting ready. But you don't want to hang around. You want to park.
Yeah. Because there's tie downs right here usually, right?
But you don't want in there. Right now. Yeah, we got all kinds of tie downs when things are dry.
All kinds of tie downs when things are dry. That's the issue. Oh, hey, Kate. Did we make it?
We made it. You didn't kill us. Hallelujah.
You're an idiot.
It's cold here.
See you tomorrow at 663.
Bye.
So we're here. We're going to go to Andrew and Katie's wedding. And tomorrow, we'll have a flight back.
Woo!
We just got passed by a Amish buggy.
I almost got run over.
That's fucking hilarious. That's really funny.
That's why there's this lane. It's not for walking.